Hello, crafters. This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and we are in the home stretch. This is now December 21st, then the 22nd, 23rd, and 24th, and then the fun and excitement and the daily videos will be over for the Advent calendar. But if you guys have enjoyed the journey so far, thanks so much for hanging in there and taking a look and enjoying all the examples. Let's get into day 21. On the 21st day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. Prep it a little bit. Let's see, 21st. Ooh, a die set. Alrighty, crafters, let's take a closer look. Okay, crafters, this looks like a floral building die set, like one of those that I've seen where you could do rainbows. This looks like petals to me. Oh, this is interesting. So it's almost like a geometric flower petal builder. Let's see what I'm going to make with this beauty. Let's get started. Okay, crafters, here is my December 21st make. Another brown card. Aren't we loving all this brown? I don't know what's going on with me. It's the middle of Christmas. Christmas is coming. I should be crafting everything crazy Christmas, and here I am doing brown. I know. Let's do a trip down memory lane of how much brown cards I've been doing for the Advent calendar. My dog, shades of brown. This one has some brown. This one definitely super brown. This one too. So these are all my cards. I have 4 brown cards. And here comes card number 5. But am I mad at it? No. So let's talk about what led me to this whole brown colorway. So I decided to cut, I would call these petals. This has 4 cut lines. So every time you cut this in a color, you're getting 4 options, okay? I only layered here 1 layer each. So then that means these are all my bits in different shades of red, but mostly like a pink coral colorway, okay? That's what I think led me from these colors, these kind of corals, led me from here, making the flower, into brown matching with it. I pulled out other sheets of cardstock, but they just weren't looking, nah. I even tried green and it was like, oh no, it was way off. It wasn't good. So I decided to go brown. What I did, this solid color here, you can build your layers up on top. And on the back of mine, I do have adhesive sheets. You see it? See the little adhesive sheet like a sticker? So what you could do is peel the back, and it's a perfect fit too. So I would just peel the back and then stick it on that die cut piece. For example, I could just go right there and stick right over it. See it? I gotta save this though. Hold on. Okay, look at that. Sizzix adhesive sheet. You can put it back. Thumbs up. That's my new thing, right? Thumbs up and 2 thumbs up. Can't help it. You just layer it. This is just cool and fun and different. I saw a video earlier, seeing that I'm now doing this video late. I think the person did 8 petals, so like a full bloom, and did this whole thing where this became a leaf and everything. So you can take this anywhere. In the middle, I only use this one. Underneath, under my 5 petals to hold the shape. And then on top here in the center in red, I didn't use this one. But on this card, funny enough, I'm using 6 total, including December 21st, 6 Advent days. Yes. And the only thing that I will be linking below, brushed gold cardstock and gold mixed gems. Yeah. So these are all Advent goodies, okay? So let me put these to the side and let's talk about what's here. In the center of the flower, we have from day 10, that little bud. Day 10, this flower set. So the centers, that's it in brushed gold right there. Only that piece. Then I have day 16 for you. Wonderful die set with the shadow. Here we go. And I did a double layer. This is like I think the color is called chocolate craft cardstock. This is a different shade of brown, a light kind of a taupe brown, and then brushed gold. Yeah, I know. I was having fun. And in the background, what are we seeing? the new favorite, right? The little mini embossing folder from day 15. In a new way. So let's explore that. First time you saw it, top and bottom. Second time you saw it, if you watched my reveal video for the Black Spellbinders machine, top, bottom. I decided to try something different. I did it 3, as if it's pattern paper. You see the difference? Love that. How did I achieve it? I ran the middle first, but when I did that, my lines, and I did it on the textured side of the cardstock, if you can notice. Just was trying something new. The other two, this one and the navy blue, these are on smooth cardstock. I was just feeling more texture because of the flower. So I went in the middle first, then did the ends, but you notice how the pressure of the machine gave a certain look. This is cleaner. This is a little bit different, but I'm not mad at it. Love. So if you're going to try making like this pattern, do the middle section first. The more you keep running it through the machine though, things may start to flatten. So I wouldn't go more than, there's no real reason to go more than 3 actually. I guess if it was a slim line, you could do 4. That might be interesting, like so. But I decided to keep it 3. I think it's cute. Play with it. And I love putting little gems in the center of it too. You see it? Like there. And another one, I know I did it somewhere else. Maybe I did it. Maybe I only did it there. And on some of the edges. But look at the cuteness. All right. So that's the front of the card on this craft cardstock. I double layered craft cardstock because I didn't follow my own advice. I stuck my card upside down. So I had this label this way. Yes. If you saw, I just uploaded a video, the huge Christmas sale, and there's also a clearance with it too. So I'll link that video here. Even if you don't watch the entire video, just go take a peek at the Christmas sale because it's all new stuff on sale and there's some really great steals and deals there, like 4 thumbs up, okay? And there's also a clearance sale. So when I went into the clearance sale while working on that video, I noticed that some of the items from the fire sale are still there. So you can take a peek. I think doing that video it was a lot. So I stuck my card upside down. I didn't check my orientation like I always say. Yeah, so that's what I ended up doing. I cut a double panel, cut the card in half, and then cut another card base. There you go. Easy fix, okay? So now let's open up the card. And here now we go with what else is there. We have day 13, make a wish. Happy birthday. You guys must be like, oh my goodness, I have so many birthday cards. I sure do. And on the inside, happy birthday. Again, brushed gold cardstock. Aren't you loving it? And then on day 10, there is my little bud. This little sprig bud. Oh, just so cute. And this is completely inspired by yesterday's video where I did that. Even though this is a completely different colorway than this, one influenced the other, and some of the past cards kind of influenced this card, etc. Alrighty, crafters, I just wanted to hop on real quick to show you my December 21st card. So until December 22nd, oh my goodness, we are really coming in towards the end, and I'm going to try my best not to do a brown card, but I can't promise. All right. Alrighty, crafters, I'm so tired. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video. Stay crafty, my friends. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.